Evening, Fambo. Good evening. Yeah, you know, veteran TV there, you know, me I go on a small look. I want to go on in the evening, yeah. Some minutes after 3 o'clock. And I saw around at the bus park looking at the evening, yeah. Yo, my general.
Easy, my G.
Mad people. Lenny, I. What go on, Dad? I can't pass the artist, you know, see one of the artists, yeah. Portland artist. Big up yourself. Lenny,
More
I.
love and strength. Big up out there. More love and strength out there. Yeah.
Mad
Veteran
people.
TV.
To the world. Yeah, man, Lenny, you know, I show the people them say so down here looking at the evening, yeah. Yeah. You know, around here, so all of the bus them come park. Big up all of the Portland people them. For the one here, daddy. See all station over there, so they just go on a small little piece and one little thing. So when I say people, I know most of the school them over here, yo. So if you wanna fix all of people, you're seeing Veteran TV. Maddy. Yeah, man, that's around here looking at fam. Where the bus them there, you see, so we need some more transportation. And you know, if I come around that side of earlier, people, you know what me there? For sure around here. So if I come on that side of earlier, you man, they have the jerk pork. You know, Boston, good old jerk pork downtown, you know, if you got a Boston. I have the jerk chicken over there, so from Boston, same way. You know, Cinnamon there, right at the bus park. Watch there. No bus for the people, them daddy. Yo, world, send a bus come get the veteran, but me go and catch some of them people, yeah, daddy. Titchfield High School to the world. One of the #1 uniform in the world. Yeah, man, a Veteran TV. For all of we. You know, me a go on it, you know. Cinnamon from out of Port, you see it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I surround on the bus park, you look, you know. Want a transportation, people. Send something come to the veteran world. I carry them people I got there the morning time, carry them home, whatever, you see it. Veteran TV, collaborate.